Okay, so I just thought this area was really cool. There's bugs all over trying to attack me, so I'm sorry if the camera gets shaky. I don't know if you even heard that. It was like a screaming bug. Okay. So here, I don't know what this building is yet. I'm going to find out after the hike is over because it was all in Polish and I don't know. But I'll figure it out. But if you go in here, obviously bombed, but it's just really, really pretty and amazing how it just looks like it's supposed to be here. Just underneath all of this. And it was well constructed. You just see all this like rusty iron. It's just like, or like steel and concrete. So it's made really well, but I'm just gonna go in this way. Go explore further. Climbing. I just wonder what this building was and who was in here. I think if you're ever in the area, it's really be awesome if you could check this out. I'm just gonna make sure I don't stab myself. Geez. Okay. Maybe not the best decision to go in here. I will find my way out. Aha. I hear Polish speaking. It's like I'm in Wellington.